Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're going to be doing a review on a Newmar motorhome. So stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Today we're going to be looking at the 2024 Newmar New Aire. Now this coach is available in 4 different floor plans, which are 35 feet in length. Today's floor plan we're going to be going over is the 3547, which measures 35 foot 10 inches and includes 3 power slide outs. One of the slide outs is a full wall slide out, which gives it ample space. You can see the full body paint finish just absolutely shines. There is no doubt that this is a high quality Newmar graphic paint finish. Now this particular Newmar is available in a standard Freightliner chassis, and you have the option of the Spartan chassis if you prefer. Either way, this motorhome comes with a popular Cummins diesel engine, which pushes out a whopping 450 horsepower and 1,250 pounds of foot torque. That's enough to pull almost whatever you want behind you. Lots of folks like to pull boats, trailers, and whatever touring vehicle they like to bring along. The headlights in this coach are the Silver Star Ultra headlight bulbs, which come standard with this motorhome. You just can't have enough good lighting around. Now let's talk about power. The Cummins Onan diesel generator comes standard with this coach. Additionally, you get 2 lithium-ion battery packs and a surge guard transfer switch. Plus, you get the installed solar panel, which is all standard equipment. The Freightliner and Spartan chassis that come with this coach are #1 in the industry. Everything is so comfortable and smooth, it's like driving an SUV. If you're finding some value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe. Thank you. Now let's have a look at the basement storage. You have a ton of storage space in this basement area. You can store all the outdoor gear and find that it's faster and easier loading and unloading. This coach comes with the optional power and non-power loading trays. I really like the power option myself. And protective cargo liners are already installed on the trays, which is perfect. There is an optional pull-out Dometic cooler, which is a nice and handy item for your outdoor drinks and snacks. I think it would be a great touch to any camping or road trip. The outside Samsung TV and soundbar is a perfect touch for those days you want to pop open that cooler for a drink and watch a movie or any outside entertainment with your friends. Now let's look up to the power awning. It is so easy to operate. It comes standard with a wind sensor, remote control, and LED lights. It is a nice touch to those not so nice days or when the sun is a bit too hot. Now it's time to walk inside and we'll have a look at the cockpit first. The driver and the passenger seats are heated and feature power lumbar and footrests. There's also the optional monitor on the passenger side, which you can see here. The New Aire includes Comfort Drive adaptive steering and so many other great options. It includes electronic stability control and the on-guard collision mitigation, which is a sure bonus. The ever so popular adaptive cruise control, tire pressure monitoring system all come standard. The dual 10-inch monitors come equipped with Nav and Go navigation, and Apple CarPlay is standard as well. And to top it all off, it has an HD 360 camera system, which is really nice when you want to have a quick look around. I'm very impressed with the front of this coach. Everything is at your fingertips and you can be super comfortable driving down the highway interstate at high speed. Get all the techie things working with you and having a great co-pilot. This ride is a breeze. As we move ourselves back, we'll have a look at the living area. Now as soon as you look back at this coach, you can see the open concept living, which is super impressive. Right behind the driver's seat is theater seating, which is a really comfortable and ready to use relaxing space. Directly across from the dinette is a dinette table and bench seating. Underneath the bench area is additional drawer type space and storage that is really handy. Now let's find the TV. Hidden away is the Samsung 50-inch LED TV, which is mounted on a televator, and it's paired up with a Bose sound system. As we move further into the living area, we're going to be looking up at the beautiful cathedral finished ceiling. The lights in the finished ceiling really captured my eye. Looking down at the floor, I could see the beautiful tile finish. Optionally, you can get heated tile flooring, which would be a really nice touch if you're spending some camping days in a cooler environment. As we continue our tour into the kitchen area, we can see all the kitchen features that come with this motorhome. They are very impressive. The appliances are compact that seem to flow so well with the cabinets. The cabinets are matching and have a shiny solid wood finish. There is a large pantry for your dry goods, and the pantry comes with LED lights on each shelf. And it also comes with dedicated space for your baking trays. Now that's a bonus for those bakers out there. You can see the all-electric induction cooktop, which fits perfectly on top of the counter. Now this comes standard with all the Newmar motorhomes. A Samsung 3-door residential refrigerator. The standard 30-inch Samsung convection microwave oven is a nice touch as well. In this coach, you can see the compact and optional dishwasher that is mounted inside the drawer. It's a great touch, but it is an option. I love all the windows in this coach. They really let in a lot of natural light. Now let's have a look at the half bath. The half bath is included in this floor plan and features so many of the same features that we'll be seeing in the full bathroom. It's great to have extra cupboard space, a great vanity, and a beautiful undermount sink. Moving into the bedroom, included is an adjustable support airbed, which comes standard in all Newmar motorhomes, which is quite a nice touch actually. The bed size is depending on the floor plan that was originally chosen. You can see the full wall slide and a wall dresser with 6 dresser drawers. Between the cabinets is a Samsung 4K LED TV. I sure like the idea of the TV at the foot of the bed, because I like to fall asleep with the TV on at night. Now let's make our way to the main bathroom. This is where you can see the full-size tiled shower. With a continuous heating water system, you won't have to worry about not having enough water to go around. This bathroom also has a large closet with a safe and is also set up for the optional stacking washer and dryer set. It fits in there nice and tight. This bathroom has the higher cathedral ceiling, which adds a lot of extra height to the bathrooms. And finally, a large vanity with in-mirror lights comes standard with this coach. And so does a large linen storage closet to hold all your toiletries and other bathroom items and belongings that you might want to tuck away. I definitely need to give Newmar a kudos for the fit and finish of this motorhome. It's absolutely stunning, and it really does go beyond expectations and more than I can describe. You really have to see it to appreciate how much goes into these motorhomes and how beautiful and how impressive this coach really is. So to my conclusion, do I like this motorhome? Absolutely. I don't think anybody would be disappointed if they chose any Newmar coach. Thank you again for joining me on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know what you think of this motorhome in the comments below. Would you choose it? Is it something that you would consider? If you've got some value from this video, please give the video a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes in. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.